Okay, this is our Colchester Triumph 2000. This is the long bed version of the lathe, so it's 50 inch between centres, a 70 inch long bed. Now what I'm going to do is just run through the machine and show you it all working, but obviously then please come down in real life and see for yourself. We've got a test bar in there so you can check out accuracy, you can check out tapers and all that sort of stuff. Finish, of course. Yeah, so it's all good. It's a good running machine, it's a used machine. So the X, I mean, there is a little bit of backlash in the X, but nothing major. It's lovely and smooth all the way across. You know, it's all running fine. Same with the Z, smooth all the way up. That runs good. So that's all fine. There's a 2-axis DRO we just fitted to it. That's got a 2-year warranty on it. There's a Techno Pewee guard there. It's all interlocked, so you need to have the guard down to initialise the machine. Obviously we can supply the C certificates with that as well, if needed. Tailstock, it's all the brakes work and everything on this. So if I swing it up this way, hit the brake, you know, that's all working fine. Same with this brake here, that's good and solid as well. The centre there, that's included, no problem. Got a few bits we can give you with it. Moving on to the quick change tool post, we've probably got another few tool posts we can give you. That'll be all included. You'll probably see in the extra pictures we've got a 4-jaw chuck and an extra 3-jaw. They're included in the sale. Right, so just running through the operation of the machine, what you got down here to operate your feed, it's this lever here. Obviously that's interlocked with the threading one, so you can't operate them both together. It's all normal for the gearbox. If you want to change from feeding on the Z here to the X here, you just alter these two here. They all work fine. I'll demonstrate that in a minute with the machine running. I won't move the compound at the moment because I've locked it, because I was doing this test piece. Okay, so moving on to the feed gearbox here. This is all working fine. These ones are probably best moved, you know, when you're running the spindle slowly, it's much easier to get them in. These ones here do not move when the gearbox is running, and the same with these, do not move when the gearbox is running. It will cause problems. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to close the guard, I'm going to fire the machine up and just show you all the feeds, let you hear the gearbox and that sort of thing. Okay, so close the guard. It's a good sized guard, so you've got plenty of clearance there. You're not going to hit it with the tool post or anything. That's why we fitted a slightly larger one. So it gives you still the protection, but usability as well, which is one of the key things with guards. You need to be able to use it. Okay, so fire it up. It'll run it easy on like 16 amp, 32 would be better. Okay, so on the feeds. This handle is pulled out and pushed down. See the feed in the Z. Change that. We're doing the X now. This is first. So just reversing all these screws here. change gear for you. It's on 190. And 45. I'm just showing the brake does work there as well. 25 is the lowest. And then 260. Okay, so yeah, please come down and see it for yourself. Bring down any jobs you want to do, put it on, make sure it does your particular job. Yeah, look forward to seeing you. Thanks.